Hi Tamanna, how are you? Hello Arpita ma'am, how are you? Hello Poonam ji. Hello Arpita ma'am. Hello Anju ji. Meghanti. Okay, now let's start. Everyone, I think everybody is here, or should we wait for 5 minutes? I'm not audible. Uh, Hello everyone. Now I'm audible, Anju ji. Am I audible, Anju ji, now? Anju ji, am I audible? Please tell. Am I audible to everyone? Now am I audible, Anju ji? Now you can hear me. Please tell if I am audible now. Okay, thank you Poonam ji for telling me. So let's get started. Myself Mamta. I am an art teacher plus I am a small artist, and I am like I love doing paintings very much, and calligraphy also, and uh, art, what I can say, art, when I make paintings I feel very relaxed and happy to make the paintings, beautiful paintings which I make. And I also love to teach my students what I make, because I like to experiment in different things, and then I love to teach my students, and I share with my friends and relatives what I have experimented. So in like I have a son who is 11 years old, and he is so excited that I am coming live on FB, and he was so feeling very happy. So and I am very great to I am very grateful to Anju ji for giving me this platform where I can showcase my capability, how I am capable, and thank you so much, She Connects. Thank you, Anju ji. And for before starting, I would like to show you some of my paintings. Some of my paintings. Can't hear, Anju ji. Am I audible? Am I audible, Anju ji? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Anyone? Yes. Okay. Fine. Thank you, Poonam ji. Like I have a page on FB on with the name of Mamta Grover, and I have a page on with my son's name, Aditya's Creation, where you can see all my drawings, work done with done by me and my students. I showcase them there. Right now also I am taking online classes, and you can see in 1 or 2 days I am going to post new drawings which I have taught my friends and kids also. Now I am going to showcase you some of my drawings which I have made, and which I am teaching right now to all my students. First of all, I'll tell you, I teach oil pastel work from 5-year kids to 10-year kids. Then I teach poster colors, acrylic paints, glass colors on canvas, glass colors on canvas, turmeric painting, fluid art, word art, uh, to 14 years and plus and above adults also. Yes, I teach oil pastels to women also. If you are willing to, you can join me after the session is over. You can contact me through my phone number, which I have already posted before. So now I am going to show you some of my works which I have done and which I am teaching. So you can see this is the Krishna, Lord Krishna. I have made this on A3 size sheet. This is my first ever painting with the soft pastels, and I love this painting a lot because it shows the creativity of me, like relaxed. If by seeing this painting you can see the Lord Krishna is going to say you something. Sometimes it looks like this. I teach soft pastels also to kids and elders also. Now you can see this goddess Durga, which I have made using two color patterns, acrylic and poster colors. I teach this also. And if you want to customize this painting, I make paintings on orders also. Now this thing I was telling you, this is my painting on canvas. This is glass painting done on canvas. Usually people do paintings on glass colors with glass only, and or in OHP sheet, but I have experimented canvas, and this is how it looked like after it's done on the canvas. I teach this also. I'm based I'm from Delhi, Poonamji. So this is the folk art of Rajasthan. This is also another canvas which I have made, and it's on 12 by 16 inch canvas. In this you can see the handicraft of Rajasthan. You can see the color combinations and the grays it's coming on. My next painting is also based on folk painting of Rajasthan only. So you can see this, the beautiful lady of Rajasthan, the jewelry, depicting the jewelry and decency of Rajasthan. You can see I make these paintings on order also. If you want, you can ping me for that. Now I want to show you this also. This is a morale, music morale, where you can learn also. This painting is done on wall paintings also and on big canvases also. This I have done with the poster colors. Now I would like to show you one more paintings. This is the oil pastel drawings which I teach my kids during my sessions. The techniques I teach them, how you have to do the coloring and the shade pattern you have to use. This is also done. These are the small samples which I make while teaching my students. You can see the mixing of the colors with the oil pastels, because we teach, it's good for children to learn first of all how to handle the oil pastels. So again you can see this, I have taught my 5 to 6 year students to how to start the mixing of the colors, and this is also done with the oil pastels only. And children love to do oil pastels when I teach them the technique, the simplest way how you can do the paintings. And I want one more thing, this is mandala art. Basically it's done with the help of tools. There are some tools which are associated for making the mandala art, but I have made this without using tools. If you want to learn this, I can teach you through my online classes, and it's a very easy. You can utilize your home based things where you can use to draw this mandala painting. So there are so many paintings which I have drawn. Right now I can't show you. One more I want to show you. This the painting of the two musicians which I have made mixing the poster colors, using poster colors, and I teach this also. You can see how relaxed the colors, the cool colors which are coming, so making it so relaxed. You can see when you paint, you put your heart in it when while painting it, because whenever I get time, I search what I can make, different things which I can learn. I love to learn different types of paintings. So it's my passion, you can say now, where I learn a lot of things. I have done drawings with pencil colors also. I'll show you afterwards. With the help of the pencil colors also I have done. I'm obsessed with peacock. I have made lot of paintings of peacock using pencil colors, using oil pastels, using the glass colors. You can see I have made this peacock. You can see I love making peacocks. I am literally obsessed with peacock. I have dresses where peacock is there. I have jewelry with the peacock designs. My friends, they tease me, you are literally obsessed with the peacock. I love to make peacocks, really. I love it. So in today's session, what we are going to do is another technique. This is called coffee painting. It's not actually a common, it's a very old technique, but nowadays it's going on. This is done with the two types, whether mixing with the water only or with the Fevicol and water. But today I am going to teach you how you have to do it with the water, because while mixing the Fevicol, it will get little bit sticky, so you won't be able to handle. Most of the people don't can handle the work done with the that Fevicol painting. So now I am going to shift my camera, and today we are going to make the coffee painting on Buddha, which I have already drawn. So I am shifting my camera over there. As you all can see my painting which I have already drawn, the Buddha on the sheet. I have taken a small sheet, okay, where I have already drawn the Buddha, face of the Buddha. In this we are going to do the coffee painting. First of all, you have to take the coffee in two portions, where in one portion you have to take a little bit of coffee and more of water, and in the other you have to take coffee and a little bit of water, because I have diluted the coffee to make the base drawing background. So see, you can see that I am applying the base. I am applying the base now on the sheet. You have to use the lighter, little bit of coffee and little bit more of water to get the base. Right now you won't be able to see. When it's dry, you will see the picture, you will see the background, how it comes. Okay, now can you see, Arpita ma'am, Poonam ma'am, can you see now? Is it visible? Is it visible now? Can you see the painting? Can you see the painting? Is it visible now? Can you see? Yeah, I have the pencil drawing. I have erased. I have drawn the Buddha with the pencil. Then I have erased it because we have to do the coffee painting. When I am going to do the coffee painting, it will be visible. So right now you won't be able to see the the pencil marks. I have already erased the pencil marks on the Buddha. Okay. So, okay. So now I have applied one coat of coffee on my Buddha painting. Now for another one we have to uh, apply little bit of coffee, little bit of water in another portion. So I am going to start the painting. Okay, the portion should be the darkest one for making the hair visible. Okay, we are going to make the two shades of shadings in the Buddha. Now first of all I am doing the hair of the Buddha. Now I have taken the thin brush, 6 number brush, and I am drawing the circles for the hair of the Buddha. As you can see, I have started painting the hair of the Buddha. Actually, I am not doing the outlining right now. It's a little bit wet. So when I'll draw the outlining, it will get merged with the water and it will not look good. So I have started with the hair of the Buddha. Now you can see that I am drawing the hair with the brush. We have to draw the hair in the circular motion only to make like this, because you have seen in the pictures of Buddha that the hair of Buddha are shown in circular directions only. Okay, so while doing this also you have to show the hair of Buddha in circular only, because we are not painting at the background. We have just given the base. Like you can see, you have to make the big circles with the brush to make the of the Buddha. Now see, it will be visible little by little because I have erased the pencil drawing. So when I am going to paint, then only it will going to show you what I have drawn, because you have to erase the pencil marks before doing the coffee painting, before doing the base of the Buddha, because so that we can do the outlining. Because in rest of the drawings we don't erase the pencil marks, but in this we have to erase the pencil marks, because we have to show the colors and we have to show the positioning of the like paint coffee, where we have to put the darker tones, we have to put the lighter tones. So for the base I have taken the lighter tone. In this coffee painting you can use any drawing, anything to make, but I like Buddha. I have made Buddha also with the soft pastels, with the pencil shading. I have made lots of that also. So you can see the hair. I have drawn the hair in the darker shade with the 6 number brush. Now I am going to draw the, now my sheet is dried. Now I am going to draw the outlining of the Buddha. Now you can see I have taken 0 number brush and I am drawing the outlining of the face of Buddha. You have to be very careful while doing it, and while doing the painting, when you do this, you get to know the smell of coffee, because we usually drink coffee, we don't use coffee for painting. So some people think why I'm using the coffee for painting. We have to draw the eyebrows and then the nose. First of all, I am doing the outlining of face, and then afterwards I'll go for the shading part. Okay. For outlining also I have used the same tone which I have used in the hair. Okay. For shading part I'll use the lighter shade. These are the eyes. It's visible to all of you what I have drawn, because I have erased the pencil marks, so that was not visible to you, because while doing the painting we have to erase it. So now you can see the eyes, nose. Now I'm going for the outlining of the lips. You can see I have used the same tone. If you want to use the more darker one, you can use more of coffee for doing this. Now I have done the lips. Now it comes the ear part. So again we are doing the outlining of ear with the same tone. Over here also. Yes, you can see the ear. Now the neck outlining. Okay, now you can see the neck outlining I have done. As you can see, the outlining of Buddha I have done with the darker shade. Now I am going to use a little bit lighter shade to do the shading. I am doing with the thin brush only. So now you can see I am applying little bit of coffee mixed with water in the hair, near the hair, on the forehead, to highlight the area. You have to be little bit careful while handling it. You have to be very careful. We have to mix now, merge it. Now you can see that I have merged the area on the forehead. Now we are going to go for the eyebrows and the eyelids. Again the same shade I have used to go for the eyebrows, like this. You have to merge the outlining. So we are merging this outlining, taking this outlining till the end of the nose area. Now over here also I am coming. You have to see that your color portion should be visible. Okay, when it's dry it's not that sticky, but when with the water, when you make with the Fevicol mixing, it will be a little bit more sticky. Now in the eyelids I'm going to do the shades. Now you can see I'm doing the shading in the eyelids of Buddha. You can see I have only touched the upper portion of eyes. Okay, I have only given the touch up in the upper portion of eyelids. Now comes the lips portion. We have made the darker. Now we are going to do the shading in the lips. We are not going to fill the lips whole, we are just going to do the shading in the lips, in the upper lip and in the lower lip, little by little. Now you can see, now comes the ear. In the ear we have done the outlining with the darker shade. Now in the ear center we are going to do the same color to make the shade of the ear. Inside portion of the ears should be darker. You have to do the darker shade on the ear, inside the ears. You can see I have done darker shade. You can make any drawing with the coffee painting. For making this, I thought it will be nice to show you, otherwise to make again peacock, but I dropped the idea of making peacock because when I was having a talk with my friend, she said no, you make search something else. Search the dha. So you can see the shades of coffee, different shades of coffee. Now our neck portion is left. Again we'll take the lighter portion which we have done in the eyelids. From one side only we'll shade, do the shading with the thicker brush and little bit. Now we'll extend it, we'll merge it. We'll not do the darkest shade over there. You have to make the lighter. One side should be darker and the other side should be lighter. I have shown this because I am showing the little bit of portion of light, positioning of light. When light is coming on your face, you see the different shades coming. Now the tilak portion is left, so you can see I have taken the darker shade to make the circle. Now again I am going to spread little bit like this. Now I think you can see how I have done. If you want to do more darker shades in the Buddha, you can use more darker shades also for the hair. Whichever thing you like, you can use. So I hope you liked seeing this painting. If you want to learn, this though I have made very quickly. If you want to learn, I can teach you this painting afterwards also, after this session is over. And I hope you all liked this painting. So now I am shifting my camera towards me now. So here I am again. I hope you liked everyone. So if you want to ask anything, you can ask me regarding this. I can tell you, or if you want to ask something else, I can clear your queries or what you want to ask. You can ask me. Or I'm going to show you more of my drawings. I have used the mixed medium. Like this, you can see the bird. I have made this with poster colors and acrylic color using it. So I have used this. I teach this also, the study of birds. I'll show you my pencil drawings. See, this I have done with the pencil colors only, and it takes me 2-3 days to complete it, because you have to do different 4-5 layers of pencil colors in this drawing. Poonam ji, I am staying in Pitampura in Delhi. You can talk to me on my number. I have already shared in the box. Thank you, Charu ji, for liking. And I would like to show you my peacock drawings which I have made, which is now available with me. I would like to show you my drawings which I have made. This is another peacock. As you can see, it's made done with the pencil color only. I have done it with the pencil color. It takes me 2 days to complete this drawing. It takes me 2, because we have to do the 3-4 colors, then only we'll get the final touch up. I teach this also, pencil color shadings. So you can see this another peacock drawing. This is Moral Art of Kerala, and I have seen the digital drawing on website, so I got fascinated with that, and I thought to make this. Then I have drawn this in the center of the peacock. I have used pencil colors, different shades I have given with the pencil color, and on the outside I have used oil pastels medium to make the background of the drawing. Right now I am making lots of folk arts. Also you can learn different folk arts of you can say the India. Like another, this one, this is also the folk art where I have drawn the Ram and Sita. This is also a folk art of Kerala. You can see. I love painting beautiful drawings. I love doing folk arts. I love doing abstract art. I love doing soft pastels art. I love doing lots of paintings, and I like to do experimenting. I have done the experiment in turmeric also. Right now I am not having that drawing. I'll post it on my page. Now you can see this I have done with the soft pastels. The face of the lady, I have done it with the soft pastels I have used, and the outlining I have used acrylic colors to do the outlining. This also I teach. Mostly I like to make the faces of women. I am so fascinated in making, and I am really thankful to Anju ji for giving me this opportunity to showcase my drawings, and I am really happy to be in the group of She Connects. This is another art I have done using acrylic colors, watercolors, and I have done with the black permanent marker. This also I have done using this, and I do lots of paintings. I can say that I love doing paintings. When I get time, I literally explore different types of things what I can use. I'm going to make another mandala art also. Sorry, not mandala art, fluid art. I've also made a fluid art also using different colors. So I'll show you that also. See this, if you can see, this is again a Buddha painting with the texture effect I have made. I have made only the half face of Buddha, and in the rest of the area I have used the texture. You can see the cotton, with the help of cotton I have mixed it. Here we can write any quotation or something like that, which we can write, and we can place it on a wall, frame it and place it on a wall. I'll show you the oil pastels work done, which I teach. This is the oil pastel. This work is done with the oil pastel. This is all the mixing of oil pastels. Here I have done all the mixing only with the oil pastels. I have not used any other medium. Only just for the outlining portion I have used the 8B pencil, which is for making the darker outlining. That's it. I have made this painting using the oil pastels. If you have any queries, you can ask me or you can ping me on my on my page. I have given you my numbers also. You can contact me through that also after the session. I'll show you the pencil shading. This is the pencil shading art I have done using the different shades of pencils I have done. You can see the darker where I have put the effect I have shown. I teach lot of things. I'm going to upload again on the FB in 1 or 2 days. I show you one more pencil shading Buddha which I have made. See this, you can see the half face of Buddha. I have drawn it on A3 size ivory sheet. You can see the shades which I have put in the Buddha, the darker to the lighter tone, showing the effect of light. When we sit in a position where light is coming, where your face is the brighter, and then where the is your darkest portion in the. I teach everything. If you want to learn, you can just ping me. Thank you, Anjuji, for giving me this opportunity. I was not expecting this, and this is my first live session that I have done. I would like to show you one more painting with the which I have done with the pencil colors and acrylic. This is the face, again the face of Buddha, the lady I have made. In the center I have used the pencil colors only, and for the background I have used the acrylic color, black acrylic color, to make the base. You can see from my paintings that I have drawn lots of paintings of otherwise I have drawn the paintings of Buddha or the peacock or the ladies. Mostly people love to make the landscapes. I don't know why I don't feel fascinated in making the landscapes, but landscapes are so beautiful. Whenever you see lots of beautiful landscapes. I don't know why I can't teach but I teach kids landscapes also. That's not a thing, but when I sit for making any drawing, I don't make landscapes. Thank you, Anjuji. Now this you can see I have made with the oil pastel the bird sitting in the flora fauna. You can see when we draw these type of things, we call it a flora fauna. In flora fauna we draw the birds, animals, and the jungle scenes. Again you can see I have done this with the oil pastels only. These are my like starting drawings where in between which I have made. So there are some drawings which are already is submitted with my sir or you can say my NGO where I'm associated with, and they have kept my most of the drawings with them for displaying in their exhibition. Now again you can see another Buddha. It's with the uh, soft pastels only. The shades I have given, everything you can see. Thank you Charuji for liking, and thank you Anjuji, thank you She Connects again for giving me this opportunity in showcasing this. You can I teach abstract art also. Right now I don't have any paintings, because I have already told you my sir has kept most of my paintings, or some I have sold. So you can if you want, you can contact me for the portraits also. Right now I don't have any portrait, but I have posted on my page Aditya's Creations the portraits also. We make on larger canvases also. I make We make the paintings on orders also. If you want to uh, get customized or something like that, you want something, you can contact me on the given numbers I have posted already. So you can ask anything you want to ask. I'll solve your queries if you have. Thank you Deep Kaur ji for liking. Thank you Charu ji. Thank you Anju ji. Thank you Tamanna ji. Thank you Poonam ji. Thank you everyone for giving me your valuable time and seeing my coffee painting, and plus my all artworks which I have shown you. And I'll continue making more and more work in the future, and I'll be posting it on FB. I would like to show you my fluid art also. Just a second. Which I have tried making. See, you can see this is the fluid art which I have made on canvas 8 by 10. Thank you Poonam ji for your love. So I can make like, thank you Darshan ji for liking. So you can see we have shown you my work. If you want to, thank you Ella ji, thank you so much. Thank you Anju ji for appreciating my work. Thank you everyone. So if you have any queries, you can ask me. Anybody want to ask, they can ask me. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for giving me your precious time for watching me, my live telecast. Thank you so much. If you want to learn the coffee painting also, right now so I have done very quickly, but afterwards also I can teach, because my online classes are still going on. So now it's dried. You can see the Buddha which we have made right now with the coffee. You can see the darker portions where I have made the lighter shades. You can see the you have to highlight, you have to put the shadings where you have to highlight the drawings. Thank you so much for this. You can see, you can make any drawing with the coffee painting. I'll be putting up on my page Aditya's Creations, where you can see more of my work, my kids work. Right now you must have seen my work, kids work from age group 5 to 7. More works I'm going to put in 1 or 2 days. Thank you so much. Can I switch it off? Anybody wants to ask anything, they can ask. I can reply. Anybody want to ask me, I can reply. Anybody wants to ask? If you want to take online classes, you can contact me through my phone numbers, or you can, I have given my phone numbers already. You can contact me through that. Should I Should I finish, Anju ji? I've shown you my paintings. I've shown you the technique, how you can do the coffee painting. If you want to learn, I can teach you after the session. Anju ji, can I switch it off now? Okay, okay, fine. Thank you so much. Thank you, Anju ji. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Take care.